Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of JDK. Also, I will be showing you how to use it for running your Java program. So guys, let's start the video. So you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for JDK download. And now guys, here you can see it's showing me the official website oracle.com. You need to just click on this Java downloads link. So it will redirect you to downloads page, and guys, here you can see two LTS version, that is long time support, Java 21 and Java 17. And guys, here it's showing me different operating system. Based on your operating system you can select it. I'm selecting Windows, and guys, here in the product I will be selecting x64 MSI installer. So for downloading MSI I need to click on this link. Okay, so guys, here you can see my download has been started. It will not take more time and it is done. Now I'm going to click on this MSI. Let me minimize my browser. Here I'm going to simply click on next button, and here guys, it's showing me the installation location. So it will go into C:\program file Java JDK. If you wish to change, you can click on this change button, and now guys, I'm going to click on this next button. So guys, here it is asking me permission. So here I'm going to click on yes button to continue my installation. So guys, it will not take more time. You can see my installation is done now, and here it's showing me Java development successfully installed. So I need to click on this close button. Sometimes guys, if you are installing any external IDE and you are running Java program over there, then for that you need to have what? Environmental variable path. So now let me show you how to add a path to environmental variable. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to copy the path of my Java JDK. So I'm going to C:\program files here Java JDK to bin, and simply copy this path because we have to set this into environmental variable. Let me close this, and here I'm searching env, that is edit the environmental variable, and just start this. And here guys, you need to click on this environmental variable button. So guys, now here we will be creating a new variable Java_home. So for that, click on this new button and type variable name as Java_home, and here guys, paste the copied path, but you need to remove this /bin. It should be up to JDK, and click on OK. And now guys, scroll down, and here you will find one variable, path variable. Now we need to edit. So for that, click on edit button. Here click on new button, and again paste the copied path guys, and click on OK, and one more time OK. So guys, path is set. Now we will be checking whether my Java is working or not. So for that, we are just starting command prompt. So in search, type cmd, and here just type Java space -- version. So boom guys, you can see I'm not getting any error. I'm getting my Java version over here. So that means your Java installation is successful. Now I will be showing you how to run your first Java program using this JDK. So for that guys, I'm simply closing this command prompt, and I will be creating one folder on desktop. So here guys, I'm just right clicking and I'm creating one folder with a name CS corner. So guys, my folder is created. Now I will be using Notepad as editor for writing my program. You can use any editor. So here in search, I typed Notepad and I started Notepad. And guys, here I'm going to write a simple HelloWorld program. So here I'm creating a class, and I'm giving class name as HelloWorld. Since it is my first program, just start the curly bracket and close the curly bracket. And guys, in this, now I will be writing main method. So in Java we write main method this way: public static void main, and then write string, and then give the array angular bracket args, and then close a parenthesis, and inside curly bracket let me print a simple statement, simple message. So system.out.println. Inside double quotes guys, I'm going to simply print a message, thanks for watching, and then I'm going to close this double quotes parenthesis, and I'm going to put semicolon, and here I'm going to put curly bracket. So code is done guys. Now let's save the program. So I'm just copying this name because in Java the main program should be, your file should be same same with the main program name, the file which contains main method. So hence I'm copying and I'm saving it to my location CS corner, and here I've gave name helloworld.java, and this is important. Select the type as all type and click on save button. So guys, your file is saved now. Now let me take you to the folder CS corner, and here guys you can see in this folder I'm having this Java file. So let's start CMD from this folder. So here you can see guys, my command prompt started with the path where my Java program is there, and now here for compiling I'm going to write javac space helloworld.java. okay, so this is my program name and .java. so boom guys, I'm not getting any error. So compilation is done. After compilation it creates one file, that is class file. So you can see this class file is created, which is also called bytecode. So now after this I will be running my program. So for that I will be writing what, java space and program name. That's all guys. So you don't need to put any extension, just simply write java space and hello world and hit enter guys. So boom guys, you can see I'm getting my output, that is thanks for watching. So I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully install JDK and you are able to run your first Java program. So hope guys my video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query or you are facing any problem, you can comment in comment box. I will definitely reply to your comments. okay, and guys if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. And guys, if you want free PDF notes related to computer science IT, you can join my Telegram channel. Also you can follow me on my other social media. The handler I will be giving in description box. You can follow me guys. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. See you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care and keep learning guys.